Hello, are you thinking of growing spinach in a container? Excellent choice. The plant is so easy to grow. In fact, you can grow it with children, as this might help them start liking eating spinach. This is also one of the cut and come again plants, so once planted, you will have a few months of fresh spinach. And fresh spinach is so nice. It does not store well fresh, so harvesting it a few minutes before the meal will make your salads taste divine. Leave a comment below on why you want to grow spinach in a container. Now let's start. Watch until the end to understand the biggest mistake people make when growing spinach and how to avoid it. So, when growing spinach, what's important is when to plant it. Spinach is a cool weather plant. Plant it late winter or early spring, and again in late summer or early fall, after the hottest temperatures have passed. Spinach roots are shallow, so almost any size of the container will work. This is excellent, as you can easily keep it on your balcony or in a window box. Of course, you need drainage holes. I make my own soil, but you can just use universal soil. So fill the pot with the soil, leaving a few centimeters or about one each on the top. Spread the seeds on the top of the soil. You can soak them prior to this in water or a solution of biofungicides, but this is not necessary. Leave some space between seeds. But this will of course depend on how deep your container. It's okay if you plant them closer than needed. You can always remove the plant later. But do leave a few centimeters or an inch between the seeds. After you planted the seeds, put about 1 centimeter or half an inch of the soil on the top and water it thorough until it drips from the bottom. Once planted, leave it outside and it will start growing in just a few days. Most of the people will see the shoots in less than 2 weeks. Even if it does not grow in 2 weeks, wait a little bit longer. It will grow at the end. If you planted it in summer, it can wait the whole summer while it's too hot and start sprouting when the weather cools down. Once planted, don't leave it inside. This is the thing that I was going to tell you and which is very important. It will be too hot for it to grow well inside the house or your apartment, and this is a result of many people being disappointed with growing spinach in a container at home. If you do not have a cool place outside, don't grow spinach. While growing, keep the soil moist and not wet, and feed regularly with organic fertilizer, as spinach, like all leafy vegetables, needs a lot of nitrogen and other organic food. Check regularly for pests, as they do like spinach. Do share your pictures of the container grown plants in the comments and check my other videos on container grown plants. See you in my next video.